I'm Joanna White. I'm Head of Intelligent Transport Systems at Highways England. Well, we're delighted to be part of the HumanDrive consortia. We've got two main roles in this. The first is around ensuring the trials are done safely on our network, and the second is working with AIMSUN, one of the consortia partners, to model the impacts of autonomous vehicles on our network. So we're looking at things like how quickly traffic moves, the emissions coming from the vehicles, and how much traffic we can actually get across the network. And of course it is great to be part of a project like this, funded by Innovate UK, and it's part of the testing set of projects set up by the Centre for Connected and Autonomous Vehicles in the UK government. One of the really important parts of this is building our relationship with car manufacturers, so Nissan, who are a partner on the project, developing our relationship with them, understanding their needs from our network and our data, and as well as us being able to talk to them about making sure that the trials are run safely on the network. So one of the areas that we've looked at as part of how we operate it safely on the network is the interaction between autonomous vehicles and the kind of today's fleet of vehicles, where we've got a mix of a self-driven vehicle and a human-driven vehicle, and looking at the interaction between the two, and in particular how we feed that through into our digital roads vision. So this is looking at what does the road of the future look like, what kind of kit might we have on the roadside, what do we need to provide to enable this type of vehicle, and what that might look like to the driver, and the kind of additional benefits that they may get from that. Also looking at the outcomes from HumanDrive alongside our other connected vehicle projects, and how again we can look at making more efficient use of the network, and more efficiently moving people and goods across the network and connecting the country better. One of the key areas of impact is all around the testing of connected and autonomous vehicles. It's a really big area for the UK at the moment, and I think what's really important is being able to do it safely, and also giving people the assurance that these types of vehicles can interact on the network in a safe environment, and we know how to design our roads in the future. So I think the outcomes of this trial and the way that the trial is run is already influencing making sure that trials across the network are done safely, and also ensuring that the testing of connected and autonomous vehicles is done in a consistent manner and influencing the wider development of that area. I think in some very controlled environments we are already seeing autonomous vehicles being trialled on the network. And in both our network and in sort of urban environments. I think we're looking much longer term in terms of seeing fully self-driving vehicles operating on a day-to-day basis on any network. And I think for us really the focus at the moment is looking at how vehicles talk to each other and how vehicles talk to infrastructure to help us improve how we operate the network and make it more efficient.